Okay, so I don't have a Arduino right now. It's a power supply, of course. I should have known that. But I'm gonna get back to you when I have a actual Arduino Uno. Okay, so it's been a week and my package came in and I have different hair. Okay, so what I got, since I was dumb last time and I thought a power supply was a Arduino, so I couldn't write code with it. I don't know if you can or not, but I bought some switches right here for the Bluetooth. Oh yeah, I'm doing a Bluetooth Arduino thing. Next video, I might make an app where I tell it Morse code of letters and just does it automatically. Arduino right here. This is the Arduino, not the power supply. Okay, so now where's my breadboard? I still got the breadboard right here. I'm gonna plug it in and make sure it still works. Still works. I'm gonna start writing some code. So Arduino, the coding app, and I'm gonna create a new file, start writing some code. I'm back.
Thank you, and see you next time for another Arduino.
We did it! Oh my gosh. So, I was coding, there was a couple mess ups. I fixed it, and I'll put a link in the description below on how I did the Morse code thing. But, I didn't do it with the LED yet. I actually did it with the Arduino Uno board. So, there's gonna be orange light that you can see. I'm gonna type in ... dash. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so every time I have to... No, it shows. Okay, so there's gonna be a but I'm gonna type in ... dash. That's dope. Okay, now I'm gonna have to make it to my LED, which should be easier. What color should we make it? We should make it red. Why not red? Bruh. Oh, let's put it to 13. Yep. We did it. I had to change the pin because I set the pin mode on the Arduino to 13. So I had to change the positive to 13 and then switch the cables because a guy on YouTube did the cables wrong. He did it like this, and if this does work, I'll still be kind of amazed. Yeah, he did it wrong. So he did the cables wrong. I don't know why I looked up how to do a LED, but I did because I never used Arduino before. So that took 30 minutes to do. So ... dash. Come on. Yeah. We did it. So I'm gonna do a Bluetooth probably next video. I'm gonna add a switch to turn on the Bluetooth, switch to turn it on, and yeah, you already know. That was hard. Like, the hardest part was probably the code because you had to verify if it was right. So I'll put the videos that I watch in the description below, except the one I just watched because he did it wrong. Oh yeah, we're gonna write bruh. Hold on, can I do ... dash slash ... dash? Is that a thing? That's dope. Okay, hold on. Hold on, I have to write bruh. Okay, so dash ... is B. I'm gonna put a slash and then a space because it feels like that's gonna set up a delay because I didn't read the code. What's an R? Oh, it's the face. Boom. And then U. What's U? ... dash. And then H. ... Let's see. That was my first time ever doing code. I did need some help, of course. Like I said, for the third time, or fourth, I don't know. I'll put the videos down in the description below. I said that wrong, I'm illiterate. But it doesn't matter. I did it. This is all the code. You guys could pause it if you want to, just copy the code. Boom. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. This is a fun thing to do if you ever want to get into coding or, you know, circuit board stuff, you know, just that. And then, yeah.